Hello, my dear sisters and brothers. How have you been? I'm optimistic that you are passing very fantastic time with your family member. At the same time, you are learning English in a great way. Today in this video, I want to share with you several matters. For that, this video will be helpful for our English learner. I have seen many English learner, they always ask me, brother, when I make English video in front of the camera, I make mistakes. I always make mistakes. It is so bad for me. And side by side, you tell me how I can make English video without any mistakes. That's why this video will be helpful. You know that I'm from countryside and I'm practicing my English every single day without any mistakes. Side by side, I have seen many students, they don't practice their English for long time. They practice their English just 2 months or 3 months. That's why they can't improve their speaking skills. They can't improve their learning English. I will suggest you by making mistakes. By making English video, you can improve yourself. If you do not make mistakes, you will not be able to improve yourself. If you don't practice your English every single day, you will not be able to learn English quickly. For that, you have to make mistakes. If you make mistakes every day, you try to continue your English journey. If you make 1000 mistakes in a day, it doesn't matter. If you make 2000 mistakes in a day, it doesn't matter. I will suggest you and I will request you, you never give up. You try to practice English every single day. If you make 1000 mistakes, it doesn't matter. You continue your English journey. At the same time, you practice English in front of the camera. I hope that one day you will success. One day you will be success. It is my big achievement. I mean, when I was beginner, that time I made many mistakes. That time I was crazy to learn English. For that, I started my English journey. At present, I'm being able to improve my speaking skills without any mistakes. For that, like this way, you can practice your English. At the same time, you can improve yourself. You will remember, English is very easy language if you practice English regularly. English is very easy language if you practice English every day. And if you do not practice English regularly, you will think English is very hard language. It is not true. I will say it is not true. English is so easy language for me. And you see my English video every day. I try to practice my English and I make English video over 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Why I can? Because I practice my English every day. At the same time, I can describe anything in English to improve my speaking skills. If you are passionate English learner, you try to continue your English journey. I hope that you will be success. There is no alternative way to learn English without more practice. That's why I will suggest you, you can practice. If you make mistakes, it doesn't matter. You continue your English journey. I hope that you can become good speaker. So see you next video. If you like my video, you can give your good opinion in my comment box. When I will be free, I will reply your comments. So see you next video. Best luck for everyone. Keep practicing, keep learning.